changing fractions to percentages, how do we change, or let's say convert, a fraction to a percentage? Remember that a percentage is a fraction that has a denominator of 100. Do you remember? Yes. So, anytime we want to change a fraction to a percentage, we simply multiply that fraction by 100. Isn't that amazing? So, I want to change 1 over 2, which is half, to a percentage. What percentage is this, right? 1 over 2 multiplied by 100 over 1. Simplify directly. 2 goes here 1 and 2 goes here 50. Or you have 1 times 100 over 2 times 1. Same thing. 2 cancels 2, and then we have 2 in 100, 50. We have the same answer. So we have 1 times 50, which is 50. So half means 50%. Halfway gone. Is 50 not half of 100? You see that? So, changing a fraction to a percentage, we simply multiply that fraction by 100. 7 over 15. So, we would have 7 over 15 multiplied by 100 over 1. I'll put this together. 7 times 100 all over 15 times 1. Can we simplify anything? Okay, 15 and 100 has a common factor, which is 5. So I have 5 goes here 3, and 5 goes in 100 in 20 places. Any other simplification possible? I don't think so. So I have 7 times 20 is 140 over 3%. Okay, we don't leave our fraction as improper, so I have to change this to a mixed fraction. So how many 3's do we have in 140? I will use the short division method. So I have 140 divided by 3. 1 will not be divided by 3, so I put these two together. So I have 14. 14 divided by 3. How many 3's do we have in 14? That should be 4. Remainder 2. So I cancel this. I have 2 left. So we have 20. So how many 3's do we have in 20? That should be 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Then we have 2 left, right? 46 whole number, 2 over 3. So this would be 46 whole number, 2 over 3%. We can also leave our answers as decimal. Very soon I'm going to teach you how to convert fractions to decimal. So we have 46 whole number, 2 over 3. 3 over 10 as a percentage. So we would have 3 over 10 multiplied by 100 over 1. Let's put this together. So we have 3 times 100 over 10 times 1. Can we divide anything? Oh yes, 0 cancels 0. So we have 3 times 10, which is what? 30%. Okay? So 3 over 10 is actually 30%. So let's see, 2 whole number 1 over 2 is what percentage? Why not do we convert this to percentage? Do we do 2 whole number 1 over 2 multiplied by 100 over 1? No. Before we use any improper mixed fraction in a multiplication, we must change it to what? An improper fraction. Is that not so? So this becomes 5 over 2 multiplied by 100 over 1. Let's put this together. 5 times 100 over 2 times 1. 2 goes here 1 and 2 goes here how many times? 50. So we have what? 5 times 50 is 250. So we can say 2.5 is 250%. You see that? We have 2 complete 100 and then we have 50, which is half of 100. So percentage or fraction or sometimes in decimal, all of these have the same value, only expressed in different ways, right? So 2.5 is 250%. So today we have learned to change a fraction to percentage, multiply by 100/1. Simple as ABC. Is that not so? You're doing a fantastic job. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.